welcome to session 6 of our show and tell on our Reducing Invalid Planning Applications project. So, that's just kind of what today's agenda is. The number 2 is all we're going to be recording for viewers at home. So our first point is I'm just going to do a quick update on the user research and the survey responses we've had. So this isn't an exhaustive list of everything that we've been getting back in the research, but it does show that we're delving more deeply into what we already know. So we already know about 50% of planning applications are made invalid on submission, but it's kind of looking more at what are those kind of things that the users and the stakeholders have been raising. And lots of people, we had a rant as recently as this week on the Lambeth Twitter account about submitting a planning application. So these are all the kind of things that we're hoping that our projects are going to eliminate as a result. We had a stakeholder session in Southwark last week, and that brought up some interesting questions, suggestions, comments. Actually, we had stakeholder feedbacks in Lambeth as well. So we've had a few beginnings of sessions, and there are various kind of pluses that have come out of that. We did a walkthrough of the prototype, and Alistair's picked up on some of those things a lot of them, to incorporate into revised mock-ups and the revised development of the prototype. And then again, more feedback from miniature sessions that we've had with people where they're kind of, one of the things that we keep seeing in just the mail out asking for people to give us feedback in the free text box, they're all saying, I just want a simple system. So that's obviously what we're aiming for. The survey that I said about earlier, so we've only had 2 responses, which is on the one hand disappointing, but at least we've had 2. And that's Durham and Sevenoaks, and you can see how they've ranked. You can see Durham have ranked the fee, which you were saying were the high issues around here at this borough. But you can see on the right-hand side, Sevenoaks issued as 1 existing proposed elevations, existing and proposed floor plans. And these are in the order of what they found, the frequency of invalid reasons. So that's been really useful. We're really hoping, if you know anyone in any councils, can you, forward the tweet, ask them to fill it in. There's lots of numbers and percentages and things in the actual survey. They only have to do guesstimates if they don't know, or just put I don't know. So you don't have to be precise, but certainly this kind of information, again, you don't have to be precise, it's just what your gut feelings is if you don't have any raw data to support it. So if everybody could tweet and push for more, because it's really useful information, I think. Anything else? So yeah, and then other things that we've been doing, well, we've obviously got the Twitter account. Everybody's got their invitations except for Lewisham, so I need to talk separately to you about that. But everyone's got their emails, I think you've got it now as well, Pete, to send out to your applicants. The legitimate interest will allow you to contact applicants with that, and also if your councils do collect names and addresses at the point of people entering their website, it's a great way of getting hold of people. That's how I think we managed to get into the top 70s.